Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper or blade in the Honda CRV. So you can see we got is 2019 Honda CRV particular. So this is super easy to do. So first thing first, you're going to lift it up. As you can see, this hasn't been changed for like 6 years now. It's all deteriorated. I mean, it's scraping off against the glass. So what you want to do first, you're going to hold on to the top or the end of it using your left hand, and then you're going to push it down towards the passenger side. It will crack out, okay? It will pop out. Super easy, right? So you can see they're out. So to put it in, you just got to go backwards. There's a slot in there. You got to slide it in. There are 2 slots. You slide it in on the first one, and then you're going to position it. You hook it, and then you lift it up. Once you hook it, you lift it up. That's it. Super easy. See, that's what it looks like being secured. Let me get you the back angle of it. So super secure. It's in there real good. Okay, I test this out. They're all good. So I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this at.